How to set dark mode on Discord mobile. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set dark mode on your Discord mobile. First let's go to Discord and then go to settings, and now you need to find the appearance, this one, click on it, and then all you need to do is to click this one, and if you want light mode, click this one. And if you want optimized mode, just click on the dark and then click fast, and as you see now you can select it. And that's today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.